Chapter 15 Motivational Techniques. Alexander is riding on his horse and commanding his army during the Battle of Cheronia. He guides his army to win the battle and takes over the city.
You have had so many challenges in front of you, as people were opposing your accession of Cheronia. Then how do you manage to keep such high spirits?
I keep my army motivated by inspiring faith in them that we will win the battle acting like brave soldiers.
Do you announce some kind of award as well for which they act so bravely?
No, they do it out of their will. But yes, I give them something as reward sometimes.
But how do you motivate them?
I always keep cheering them with positive thoughts. I keep a watch that they don't quarrel amongst themselves and bicker about each other. It is my duty as a leader of the group to encourage each of them and raise their mental spirit before going for any attack on the opponent or combat.
Do the soldiers always obey you?
Yes, they treat me as their master. You see, there are different kinds of human needs. Some soldiers are satisfied with only food and water. Some need security of life and some want to be respected. For different needs, there are different principles to inspire them and make them do as is required.
A leader is one who has strength of will. What are the other abilities a leader must have?
A leader mobilizes his team by devoting his time, experience, tolerance, personal sacrifice. He is the one whom his soldiers look up to for guidance. He trains his force to grow in both physical and mental strength.
Do you punish them if they fail to obey your orders?
Yes, punishment is a must if anyone fails to follow orders. This is to keep a check on the others who think of cheating on me, thinking that I might be unknown of their ill practices. Alexander is holding a session of his soldiers before marching for the battle. He asks his soldier to be confident that they will win the battle and come home with the enemy's head as a prize.
What is the secret behind this, Alexander?
Just before we march into enemy borders, my soldiers must be aware what to expect when we go there. I want them to know that even the enemy will be well prepared to battle us with huge soldier strength. Maybe more than us. But they should not be afraid. Be confident of winning the battle. Confidence is the key. Leading the team is a huge task, which takes loads of confidence. So I hit the nail to boost up my soldiers' morale. Are you ready, soldiers? Go! Stampede them!
Yes, our Lord. We will present you the enemy king's head tonight.
Be focused.
Yes, sir!
The bugle blows. Trumpets roll, making a roaring sound in the sky. And there goes Alexander's army to strike out at the enemy targets.